What's up, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts. I'm going to show you guys in this video how to get free cash instantly. All right, so all you got to do is basically just follow the steps I'm going to show you in this video, and you're going to make money every single day, and you're going to get paid instantly to do this. All right, so first of all, I want to show you my account balance. I have 564 points. I'm a gold member. That's equivalent to $5.64. All right, now I'm going to cash that out, and I'm going to get paid instantly. All right, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go over to rewards. Click on this, and it'll show you all the options that they have. They have PayPal, they have Amazon, they have actually discounted prices on some of this Amazon stuff. You see here, all you need is 950 points to get a $10 Amazon gift card, you know, things like that. And if you scroll down, they have lots of other gift cards. You know what I'm saying? There's something on here that you can find. They have so many different options of ways that you can cash out. You know what I'm saying? So just keep on scrolling. If you don't see something at the top, you know, just scroll to the bottom. You'll definitely find something on here that you want. But for me, I'm a PayPal guy. I just want the PayPal money. So I'm gonna go back up to the top. I'm gonna cash out this $5 real quick. You want to claim this item? We'll actually claim this item. And it's gonna ask me, are you sure you want to claim this prize? I'm gonna say okay. And I'm gonna get paid instantly. All right. So right then and there, you see, you know, you can share it. It says, please note there can be a delay of 30 minutes before you see payment, but I'm going to show you, you know, you're going to get that before then. So let me show you my routine on this site real quick. All right, so I'm going to go over here, back over to the top page. Now, first thing you want to do is click on your surveys. All right, so your surveys, this is one that I have a lot of success with. Very easy to do. They pay 76 cents each. You see here 76 cents, but then they have other ones that you can do. If you kind of scroll to the bottom, you'll kind of see, look, they got one that's 10 minutes, you'll get 168 points, 10 minutes, 84 points. So kind of scroll down and see, you know, the other your surveys, not just the daily one, but you can do these on a limited amount of times a day. You know what I'm saying? You just keep on doing these, you know, you'll make a lot of money doing that. When you're done with those, sample lists. Now this is my favorite part of the site, sample lists, because 90 cents, and these surveys take 10-15 minutes at the very most. You know what I'm saying? So it doesn't take a lot of work. You know what I'm saying? You just basically you click on go. It's going to open up a survey. You know, you see if you qualify for it. Most likely you will. It's just, it really depends on how you're answering questions. Like if they ask you something like, are you interested in this? You know, say yes. Have you been involved in this? Say yes. Have you done this in the past 30 days? Always say yes to questions like that, because they're looking for the, you know, answers like that, so you can qualify for the survey and you can make money easily. You know what I'm saying? So that way you're not always getting disqualified for it. So I try to do at least 2 or 3 of these a day. This morning I've done 3, so that's why I have 270 points. You know, 90 cents each, very quick, easy to do. All right. Now another one that I found that is very, very good. You click on, I think it's called, you know, right here. Look at these, y'all. 1 minute surveys, 45, 77, 75, 100. You know what I'm saying? Now the thing is, you won't qualify for all of these, but it's definitely something that you should try, because they're taking 1 minute. You know what I'm saying? Just really looking for you know, quick answers. So these surveys won't take you a long time to do it all. So that's basically what you want to do. Just kind of go through and try all of these, because like, look, the survey is only 1 minute long. It's not going to take you forever. Just go through, grind out on those, and, you know, watch your money grow up fast. So you'll see here, these first 3 things, these are the ones I focus on. Your surveys, sample lists, and you know, of course, you're free to try all of these survey providers. You know what I'm saying? They all work very well. I'm just showing you the ones that I do, but, you know, you might, you know, find something that else works, you know, better for you. So whatever works for you, definitely try it. You know what I'm saying? Don't hesitate to, you know, go through and try at least, you know, one in all of these little survey providers. So, now I'm gonna show you that I actually got paid instantly. Let's see if I can go into my email real quick, and it'll show me. I'm actually do it on my phone, but let me see real quick. So I'm on my phone. Let me show you. Right now, it is 6:45 a.m. So I'm gonna pause the video when I get paid, because it's gonna be like a few minutes, and I'm gonna show you guys when the PayPal actually comes. All right, so you see it's still 6:45 a.m. and this should show you my email right here. Prize roll PayPal reward, 6:45 a.m. So it took maybe like 5 minutes, maybe not even that, for when it came, but you know, it pays instantly. This is how you get free cash instantly. All right, so it's very easy to do. Quick $5 on my account. I still have 64 cents in there. So, you know, just continue to grind on this site. You know what I'm saying? Do what I showed you. The Your Surveys, sample lists, and you know, they also have offer walls that you can watch. I mean, that you can do. A lot of the offer walls just basically signing up for free stuff, submitting your email, you know, just easy things to do to make quick money. So that's why I always encourage you guys to kind of, you know, sign up for this site. The link was in the description. If you want to use this site, it's definitely free. It's definitely a lot of money into it. One of my favorite sites. Use the link in the description, sign up. That way you can get a bonus when you sign up and you're able to make the most money possible. So definitely get involved with it. You know, like I said, show you my routine. You're going to get free cash instantly doing these things. You're going to be able to cash out every day if you just go through and do what I just showed you to do. All right. So like I said, click on the link in the description today, sign up, get the bonus. If you're new to my channel, definitely subscribe so you can always find out new ways to make money every single day. And the most important thing to remember is that every single penny that you make, it definitely counts.